Hey guys, welcome back. So today we went out to the Habitat for Humanity ReStore and we picked up this little shelving unit. We are going to transform it, get it all cleaned up, and see if we can find a place for it in our kitchen.
A snake next to pumpkin.
You want to say that you saw a snake next to the pumpkin? Mm-hmm. Well, say it.
There's a snake next to the pumpkin, and so it saw a snake, and I saw a moment. And Griffin just heard it, and we did.
Oh, okay. We looked for it, but we couldn't find it, right?
No.
Okay.
Only found it right there, and so that's all. So I saw two snakes, and so that's all. That's right.
Okay, good. All right, we're going to try to put this one, the younger one, to bed and see if we can get this started. And here it is. This is what we picked out. Just a 3-shelf shelving unit. Picked it up for about $30, metal and wood. The funny thing about this is it did not fit in the car. I actually had to go back into the ReStore and buy tools so I could take it apart so we could get it here. And I reassembled it. Now we're showing it to you. Now we're going to disassemble it and get it cleaned up and then get the wood primed. For the primer, we're going to be using Zinsser's Bullseye 123 primer. It's going to go one coat over the top of the top and the sides, and from there we're going to sand it down, make sure all the bubbles are gone, tack cloth it, and get our first coat of paint on. For the paint, we're going to be using Leftover Agreeable Gray by Sherwin-Williams. We had this left over from painting some of the rooms in the house, and we're going to paint the shelves this color.
What is it a fossil of?
A tooth.
What kind of tooth?
A T-Rex.
There you have it, guys. A nice, simple, easy project. You can pick up something, whether it's from a garage sale, the ReStore, or the Salvation Army. Do something to it, change it, make it your own with things that you have right around the house. You don't have to put much money into it to have a beautiful end piece. We have this sideboard, which is exactly what we needed for the space that we have. I hope we inspired you.
Thanks for watching, and we see you soon.